Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Traders, we are going to go through the trade ideas I sent into our Discord group yesterday. The last one was the US 30. If you are thinking about shorting, this is my setup, but only if price rotates within the 4-hour order block, okay, and gives us an entry. Otherwise, there's no trade. This is the 4-hour order block up here in this orange zone. Okay, so we'll have a look at that. As it was, price did move into the order block. Now, this is the order block. We marked up here, this zone through here. With our trades, we enter, like if it moves into the order block, we then look for entry on the 3-minute lower time frame. This is it here. Okay, it traded up into the order block. Guys, there's no signal. That's the range I was talking about. We want to wait for our triangle, this guy, on the 3-minute. If you go through the videos, remember we talk about you want to see it start to roll over and give us a series of lower lows, lower highs. Now, I don't know if you got caught out here, quite possibly, but this is why we have our trade alerts. This is why we have our red triangles, right? And we don't see that here. The red triangle gives us the break of structure that we're looking for, and it didn't happen. Okay, so no trade. The other one was Aussie dollar, so we'll have a look at that one. Right, well, this one's an interesting. That was the setup, pretty clearly laid out. Let's just have a look here in on the 30-minute. This one's still running, and I mean, here's the thing too. It did spike down to here. I know in a lot of videos I mention I like my TP1 just short of 1-to-1. This is 1-to-1 risk reward here, and I set my TP right on 1-to-1. So if we had set the TP partial profits a little bit short of our 1-to-1 risk reward, that could have been where we closed in profit. You know, we're going to close 2/3 of our position so that this is in the money at that point. Okay, so I did miss that opportunity. If you're using the indicator on TradingView, have a look at these green dots. That's, I mean, they're pretty good. This line created by these green dots here, look at that. Twice touched. Some of you may have closed partial profits here. Good on you for doing that. You'd be in the money. Otherwise, this is still running. Then the other trade was the dollar CAD. We'll have a look at that. Target 1 reached. So you'll be in the money with this. And, you know, you can tighten up your stop loss a little bit if you want to. Just pull it in a little bit closer to this, you know, and if it gets taken out, it doesn't matter. You've made money with this one. Okay, so we'll just see how we go with that. It could continue up, but I'll call this one a winning trade. Once we've hit target 1, we're in the money, and then the rest is a bonus pretty much. Okay, so the US 30 was a no-go. We didn't trade it. Dollar CAD in the money, and the Aussie dollar still running. Okay, guys, that's yesterday's trade signals recap. I've just updated the last trade signals screenshot that I've got here. Last 2 trades, dollar CAD, Aussie dollar, and the US 30 wasn't a trade. Dollar CAD in the money, Aussie dollar is still running. And if you haven't already, here's an invite to join BIP, tradingwithanthony.com. You can join while it's still at a discount. It'd be a good idea to snap this up and lock in this before it goes up. Okay guys, with that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, see you in the next video.